Okay, so I tried to use this Hovercam, but it didn't want to record my voice, so Hovercam, you suck, and I hope your company goes bankrupt. We're going to go back to Streamcast-O-Matic. So we're going to do number 2, all right? All the answers are underneath this, but I'll cover it up. We'll pretend like I didn't do it yet. All right, number 2, football workout. 2 linemen are pushing on a sled. The combined mass of the linemen and the sled are 300 kilograms. Okay, we're going to go ahead and write that down over here. So we have mass equals 300. Awesome. The coefficient of friction between the sled and the grass is 0.8. That's the coefficient of friction. So we're going to write it as friction coefficient equals 0.8. Easy. The sled accelerates at a rate of 0.58. So we're going to do acceleration equals 0.58. Awesome. And we want to know the force applied. I went and highlighted everything because highlighting is very good. Force applied. I'm going to leave that blank because it exists, right? So next, what we're going to do is we're going to write down all our formulas. So formula 1, force of gravity equals mass times acceleration of gravity. Easy, right? Number 2, friction coefficient equals force of gravity times the, force of friction. Oh, Hovercam, you got me fired up. Force of friction equals force of gravity times friction coefficient. And then lastly, secret answer, that's our answer. Our net force equals mass times acceleration. And in this case, our net force is going to be force applied minus force of friction equals mass times acceleration of gravity. All right, now we just plug stuff in. So hopefully you got your calculators ready. I don't know what I did with mine. I'm sure I'll find it. Oh, no, it's up there. Okay. I was trying to use this tripod. Never works. Stuff never works around here. Tripod. Okay, so we know that my mass is 300. My acceleration of gravity, that's a constant, right? So that's 9.8. Equals. So let's do that real quick. We're going to do 300 times 9.8. 2940. Awesome. So this is 2940. So all we do is we take this step by step, right? You don't build the pyramids at the top when you build the bottom with step, step, step. So now we have force of gravity, so I can put that here, 2940. 2940. Friction coefficient, well, they said the friction coefficient was 0.8, so I'm going to put 0.8. And now we're going to find the force of friction. So we just do 2940 times 0.8, right? 2940 times 0.8, 2352. 2352. Now that we have this right here, we just plug it in, right? So we're going to go force applied. We don't know that. So force applied minus force of friction, which is 2352. 2352 equals mass. I wrote it off to the side, so I organize. Organization makes everything better. Times acceleration. Remember, this is acceleration. This is what it's actually doing. This isn't the acceleration of gravity, which is a constant, right? So this is what's actually happening. In this case, they told us the acceleration was 0.58. 0.58. Put it in parentheses, right? So let's go ahead and combine this side. So 300 times 0.58 equals 174. So now we have 174 equals 2352 force applied. Do not forget about this minus. This throws everybody off. They always forget the minus, right? So now, basic algebra, let's add it over. Plus 2352. No equal sign. Plus 2352. That is gone. So 2352 plus 174 is 2526. Am I doing this right? 2526? 2352, 20, yeah, good. So, force applied equals 2526. I'm going to box that answer. And then, boom. There's all the work I did a second ago, but Hovercam didn't want to record my voice. That's okay, though, Hovercam. That's okay. All right, so there you go. If you got any questions, let me know. Keep on rolling.